I can go see this video.
So I'm sitting over here minding my own business, getting a little sun, and I heard someone in the distance say Wagaan. Of course, I had to come and meet these folks. So they're just here talking about wanting to go to Jamaica. And you said you have a friend in Jamaica. Do you know
He's from Jamaica.
From Jamaica.
But
Do
he
you know?
doesn't live there now.
He's here in the U.S.
Yes.
Do you know where he was from in Jamaica?
He
Well,
just went and visited too, but no.
So do you guys know where you want to go in Jamaica?
Not at all. Just know I want to go there.
So what do you want to see when you go? Tell me what you like.
Dreads. Psych, no.
Well, besides dreads.
Psych, nah.
They have beaches in Jamaica.
Yeah, there's beaches, and then there's like seaside like
I'm
this.
not gonna hold you. I want the food.
And the food is delicious, of course. I know some really good.
My back is. Girl, you're
Chefs.
hating on my big back. I just.
You know, it's not like soul food at all. I mean, it's a lot of curry, brown stew, and they eat a lot of rice, and well, they call it rice and peas, but it's like kidney beans. And they call avocado a pear. It's a lot of funny little things that you know you get to get used
You
to.
been there your whole life?
No, I've been living there for about 3 years.
Okay, you like it?
Jamaica is hard. Don't be fooled. It's a great place to visit, but I wouldn't recommend anyone living there, which is why they're all trying to get out of there. All right,
I don't
so
know if here's no better.
well, it is
I
because
don't know too much than what I'm hearing about these presidents.
What's so hard about Jamaica?
well, they really don't like Americans, and I'm not talking. Even though they call me Whitey, it's they and it's not done out of malice, and I don't take no offense to it, because they would say like brown man. Black man, hey blackie, you know, and then when they see me coming, hey whitey. So I don't take no offense to that, but Jamaica has a lot of variety as far as on the island itself. So like, for instance, I love the North Coast, which is where the mountains and the sea mix, and it's a lot cooler and not as much mosquitoes. So when you like get up towards Montego Bay, Negril, which is the West Coast, and then you come around the turn to the South Coast, which is like Manchester. Tons of mosquitoes, alligators. People don't even realize like what's all there. So my recommendation is always the North Coast, and then go at least an hour deep if you want to see the island. If you really want to experience it, and like you say, eat the food, meet the people, get out in nature a little bit without roughing it too much. So I appreciate you guys.
Hopefully we see you in Jamaica, sister.
You can look me up.
What's your name on it? What's your YouTube?
It's American Woman, all one word, in Jamaica. And then it's the @ at Inside Jamaica.
Okay.
Yeah, so check yourselves out.
Gotcha.
Thank you.
Thank